Hey guys, it's Al with Techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Well, as you can see on the table, we've got a bunch of ToughBuilt StackTech accessories, and we're going to be taking some time putting these on the boxes, doing a close look, as well as some demonstrations in some scenarios. So, why don't we go ahead and check this out? Let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from Techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, here's an image of most of the accessories we're going to show you in this video. There might be one or two additional, but this is a really good image. Let's go ahead and move on. First accessory is the 20-ounce tumbler. The ToughBuilt item number and the Lowe's item number are listed there. MSRP on this is $34.98. The warranty has a limited lifetime warranty. The cup features a twist and lock feature, double wall vacuum insulation, and it's dishwasher safe. Here are the measurements, just in case you need them. And let's go ahead and check this out. Here is the cup. I'll take it out of the holder for a moment. I'll show you that in a minute. So again, 20 ounces. All right, it does have a stainless steel construction. The lid basically opens this way. This does come off. Again, it is dishwasher safe. It does have a ring, all right, to prevent the leakage. That is what the inside of the cup looks like. It has a rubber on the bottom. And let's take a moment and show you how the holder works. So the holder, just so you'll know, the cup, when you put it in, it does twist and lock, so it won't come out. It's a nice feature. Put it in, turn it. Now let's go ahead and put this on the boxes. So how it works is you're going to basically take the pins. These pins go up and down. That's what the mechanism looks like. This here goes this way. And then it goes down. All right, again, take it out, lift the bottom, it comes out. Go in. All right, so pretty easy. It does take up 3 of the holes, so you'll need something with at least 3 holes. Again, you take the cup, put it in, turn it, and you're ready to rock and roll. So that is one accessory. Next accessory is a roll holder. The ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed. MSRP is $24.98. This has a limited lifetime warranty. Some of the features: it can be used for wire or paper towels. It can be mounted on the front or the side. It has a telescoping steel bar that holds 35 pounds. It has a quick release system, and here are the measurements. All right, here is the wire and the roll holder. Now, basically, here's your quick release system. All right, it'll release the bar. Here's the locking mechanism. It does only take up 2 spots. It doesn't take up 3. All right, this is the left side. This is the right side. So basically, you just take this and you put it right there. It locks in place. And we're doing the front of the box right now, just to show you that you can put it on the front. Keep in mind, you wouldn't put this on the front of a drawer. You would put it on the front of a toolbox, but I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. As you can see, this does telescope. So if you're actually using the front of the box, you would actually expand it. We could take some paper towels, for instance, throw this on here, and now, again, it can go on the side or it can go on the front. Again, it releases easy, so all I have to do is push these 2 pins in, and that'll come out. Again, Nice and easy, locks in place, won't go anywhere. Here's an example of holding wire. All right, a picture that ToughBuilt supplied on their website. So there is an example. Next accessory is a long tool holder. ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed there. MSRP is $24.98 with a limited lifetime warranty. Features: it's adjustable to fit many tools. They offer a quick release. It is also ToughBuilt Garage Organization compatible. And here are some measurements. All right, here is our long tool holder. As you can see, it's 2 pieces. And I've got our extending box level. If it goes from 24 inches to 40 inches, I'll put that in there. But you see, what you do is you take this and you put it wherever you need to put it, right? So I'm going to put it here. And again, let me show you the piece. So it does require 3 slots, as you can see. So just being aware. So I'm going to put it in the 3rd slot right here. Locks right in place with no issues. The top piece obviously is a pass-through. That takes 3 slots as well. So I will go ahead and put that right up here. Locks in place. And now I can take my level and put it inside. Or you can put a sledgehammer in here, which is cool. As you can see, that fits really nice. And again, you know, it's made to hold some weight. So yeah, you can put a sledgehammer in here as well. And they're very easy to remove. You just have to push this up from the bottom and it releases. All right, that's how the mechanism works. Next accessory is a woodwork surface. ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed. MSRP on this one is $54.98 with a limited lifetime warranty. A couple of features: the top is replaceable. It also slides to reveal mini storage slots. I'll show you that. And it has a convenient measurement on the top of the wood. Here are the measurements. And let's go ahead and check this out. So here it is. Let me lift this up so we can take a look at it. It's got the measurements in centimeters and inches across the box, so that can be helpful. Again, nice surface. It's actually wood. And then the bottom is just, you know, reinforced. Now when you put this on, it's not going to lock in for you. It'll require a little bit of pressure because it doesn't have much weight. So don't be shy. Now that's in and it won't go anywhere. And you now have a work surface. But there's a hidden compartment that actually has mini storage. Let me go ahead and show you. All right, all you need is a screwdriver. Just open this up. Again, this is also replaceable, right? If you have to replace this, maybe it gets damaged, not sure. But you take this and it will require a little bit of banging on the side because it really is in there. Here it goes. Here it goes. So it slides out. It actually locks in the grooves. So I'm trying not to do too much camera shakeage here. But as you can see, you have a boatload. If I can get this out, this is pretty tight. And I guess it's because it's never been taken out. But you have a boatload of these little mini compartments. And maybe you could put screws in or something. And hopefully the wood will, you know, wear a little bit so it's not as hard to open. But that's pretty cool. Now to take this off, all you're going to do is push these 2 in and lift up. And that's it. Comes off pretty easy. The next one is ClipTech. This is an accessory, and the ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed. It's only $6.48 for a 3-pack, limited lifetime warranty, and very, very compatible. So it's, you know, pouch compatible, StackTech Bar compatible. It's wall mountable. It clips on the most tool belts. It's wall organizer compatible, and it's made of an HDPP, which is a high density impact resistant polymer. So here it is, a very simple device, comes in a 3-pack, as I said before. Again, it is wall mountable. You see how it's see-through? So you can actually screw this on the wall and simply take your tool belt or whatever you have and put it on there and take it off. So you can actually have a couple of different tool belts on your wall ready to go depending on the job that you have. Now obviously these are StackTech Bar compatible, and we'll put this in here. And by the way, it does actually have a lock. It does fit in the tool belts, but we'll put it in the StackTech Bar. All right, and again, you take your pouches, you lay it on top, and then when you're ready, all you do is take your pouch with this quick release, and you're ready to rock and roll. Pretty nice. By the way, we did a short video showing a sneak peek of the new ClipTech that's coming out. It's not going to replace this model, but it is a stronger version of ClipTech. I'll put the link in the video description for you if you want to check this out. Next accessory is a StackTech Bar. ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed. MSRP on this is $21.98 with a limited lifetime warranty. It features a stack bin compatible, ClipTech pouch compatible. It has 5 slots available, and it can hold up to 25 pounds. Here are the measurements. Let's check this out. So here's the ClipTech Bar. And this is made for the sides of units, okay, just the sides. Now I believe they're coming out with one for the fronts that's going to be longer. Now you'll notice it's got locks on both sides. It's got 5 slots, so depending on what you're putting in it. And the locking mechanism is that there it goes, just on both sides. Now I will tell you that it is ClipTech compatible. We'll show you that in a minute. If you have an organizer, depending on which organizer, you can actually use the large bins because they have the holders in the back. And you can use the small bins because they have the holders in the back that'll clamp right in, and I'll show you that in a minute. Now, if you bought yourself a toolbox, I think this is just a standard size toolbox, well, this specific one comes with 2 of these accessory boxes. And as you can see, they have the holders in the back as well. So this should fit 2. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how to put the bar on. All right, let's take the bar, and what we want to do is just kind of put it in evenly, and then we should be able to lock it. So it's now locked into place. Now I'll show you the ClipTech, right? So these ClipTech basically slide in here, and they get locked into place. And if you have a pouch, well, that'll go on nice and easy. And then when you want to take it off, you pull it off. So that is for ClipTech. Now I didn't lock it. It does actually have a lock on the bottom. All right. Now what about these bins? So again, these bins will work. They just need 3 slots in order to work. The small one just needs 1 slot in order to work. And they hold on pretty tight, which is nice. Now, the other thing that's really cool is if you bought that toolbox, well, this fits on here also. And that just sits on, by the way. It doesn't lock. So it just sits in the groove, allowing you to get in and out. All right. And there is our demonstration of the ClipTech bar. And releasing it, by the way, just 1, 2, pull it out. You're ready to rock and roll. By the way, if you want, I did a video on all of the 3 different sizes of organizers. This obviously is a low compact organizer, so it's really nice. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I'm going to put an image up right now, and I'll put a link in the video description if you want to see our detailed comparison and close-up of all 3 of the StackTech organizers. Next accessory is a cord wrap. The ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed. MSRP is $24.98 with a limited lifetime warranty. These can be mounted on the front or the side. They have an easy cord release. I'll show you that. And it holds up to 50 feet of cord. And here are the measurements for these as well. Let's continue. And here they are, very simple devices. They take up 2 slots. This is a quick release button here that'll allow you to turn it in different directions. All right, so putting these on is pretty easy. You're just going to go ahead and put it on and pull down and lock in place. Now obviously you're not going to put this on the front of any drawers, but same thing here. Basically push it in, lock it down, and now you're ready to put your cord on this. So let me show you what that looks like. And as you can see, it's on the front. Again, it can go on the side as well, which is nice. And when you want to take the cord off, all you do is push these two buttons in, turn the handles inside out, and the cord comes off, which is nice. So pretty handy. So another use for your cord wraps could actually be holding a light aluminum ladder. I will tell you, you might be voiding the warranty on the cord wrap if it breaks, so you might not be able to make a claim. But as you can see here, I've actually got the cord wraps in the midsection, right? So I can lift this ladder for a second and show you. There you go. I mean, pretty nice. Take it, sits right on top, and really just allows you to take your tools wherever you want to take them. So pretty cool. But again, don't forget, could be voiding your warranty on the cord wraps. Next accessory, more like a component, but the four-wheel cart, aka Dolly. Now the ToughBuilt item number and Lowe's item number are listed. This is $99.98 and it is extremely hard to find. The warranty is a limited lifetime warranty and it is StackTech compatible. It has tie-down points, 250-pound weight capacity, locking front casters, and it's made of a high-performance polymer construction. Here are the measurements. And let's continue on. All right, so here it is. And I'll show you the tie-down points. First of all, you've got them in the front. You can use these as tie-down points. You've got them on the sides. You have the same ones in the back, by the way, and again on the side. So you do have some tie-down points. Again, 250-pound capacity, not bad at all. Locking front casters. All right, and lift this up a little bit so you can see. I've used this a little bit, so they're going to be dirty, but seem pretty durable. And these lock right here in the front, you know, and unlock. And then you'll step on these to lock these, which is nice. That's what the bottom looks like. But let me go ahead and put some boxes on and show you. I'll start off with the 3-drawer. Now I've got some stuff in this, so bear with me as I grunt. But the wheels are locked, all right, and then just locks right in place, which is nice. I'll start off with a large toolbox on top of that. Again, locks in place nice and easy. And then I'll take my 1-drawer unit, and I can use this as a desk if I need to. And there you go. Not bad, huh? I got a drawer, I got a toolbox, I got a 3-drawer unit on top of my 4-wheel cart. Not bad at all, nice. All right, guys, so we threw everything on real quick, you know, to hold all the different accessories. Obviously, the ladder's not on here, but the cord and the ClipTech bar and a 20-ounce tumbler. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, guys, and if you did, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you want to follow us on social media, we'll put our social media channels right up top. We also have a Tesla channel in the upper right-hand corner, at My Tesla Journey 1. If you search that on YouTube, you'll find us. Subscribe. It's a new channel. It's going to take a while, but we sure hope you join us. And by the way, I'll put some more videos here on the right side. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at Techmadeezy, go ahead and click that round logo right there. And you'll be able to click the logo, join the family, and subscribe. Guys, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.